Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the four most popular web browsers on your POCO X5 Pro. So we start from the Firefox. It's the simplest way. In the welcoming screen, just click here on the zero mask and that's it. But if you have any tab open it, you have to click the taskbar icon and go to the zero mask and add a private. The second one is Adobe Edge. Click on the taskbar icon, choose in private and add a tab. In the Opera, like before, taskbar icon, private, add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click here on this arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose new Incognito tab. And now your history, the completed forms, the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.